Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Side effects of benzodiazepines. The most common side effect of benzodiazepines is sedation. Tolerance will also develop with benzodiazepines. In benzodiazepines, anterograde amnesia is seen, and this anterograde amnesia is actually maximum with lorazepam. It is also this anterograde amnesia will also result in psychomotor retardation, and due to this anterograde amnesia, there is falling down chances are also more. The patient might experience many types of accidents, or there can be tolerance is seen in the benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines have some addiction potential, but the addiction potential of benzodiazepines is less than that of barbiturates. It is also has dependence, and nightmares are also seen with benzodiazepines. So, benzodiazepines are responsible for anterograde amnesia, whereas head injury will cause retrograde amnesia.
thank you and thank you for watching.